Here's everything you need to know about how to patch and repair concrete. A step-by-step guide. Here's what you need to know. Learn how to patch cracks, spalling, and potholes in concrete. Fix small damage for 50 to 200 or hire a pro for structural repairs. Quick answer. Small concrete patches cost 50 to 200 in materials and can be DIY friendly using patching compound. Deeper damage runs 300, 500 plus, and requires a contractor. Cleaning, choosing the right material, and allowing 7 to 14 days cure time are critical to patch longevity. Concrete damage, whether a hairline crack in your driveway, spalling on a pool deck, or a pothole in a patio, is inevitable in North Carolina's freeze-thaw climate. The good news: most patches are straightforward if you address them early and correctly. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. We handle everything from small DIY-ready repairs to full structural fixes. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This guide walks you through patch assessment, material selection, application, and when to call a pro. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in both new concrete installation and repair work, from small patch jobs to full slab replacement. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until the work is finished, and all materials and labor are funded up front. Most residential patches range from 150 to 500 depending on depth and size. Larger repairs may extend into the thousands. Whether you're tackling a DIY patch or calling in professionals, understanding concrete damage types and repair methods helps you make the right decision for your driveway, patio, or sidewalk. Moving on to types of concrete damage. Concrete failure takes several forms, each with a different root cause and repair strategy. Understanding which type you're facing is the first step toward choosing the right fix. Crazing is a network of very fine surface cracks, hairline fissures typically less than 1/8 inch wide and only 1/16 inch deep. Crazing rarely affects structural integrity. It's usually cosmetic and caused by rapid surface drying, high water-cement ratio, or excess calcium hydroxide migrating to the surface. Scaling is the loss of surface mortar, the binding layer, leaving small pits and flakes, often triggered by repeated freeze-thaw cycles combined with road salt or de-icing chemicals. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.